Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads. I was doing some research in our area. I'm actually outside Montgomery County, Abington, and I came across your company and I thought I'd shoot you the screencast video sharing some tips and insights to how you're doing online. If at the end of the video you'd like to learn anything more about Christy's Leads and how we can help grow your online presence, please reach out. I'd love to talk. And if not, no harm, no foul. Any comments on the video are greatly appreciated. So I'm going to go over a couple things today: content and keywords, then citations and backlinks. I'm going to start on the front page of your website. Your website is gorgeous. You have awesome images. You have a lot of pages. These are all clicks. Awesome images. Generally, we put about 1,500 words of content on the front page. That helps Google understand, what you're trying to service and where you're trying to service that. So, you have a bunch of things here. So it looks like you're probably around 1,500 words. Within those 1,500 words, we scatter about 8 to 10 keywords that are highly relevant to your niche. You might be a little short of 1,500. You just got to go look at what your competitors have and see how many they have. And you want to stay around that number or a little more, actually. The keywords are important because, like, home building, Lancaster, PA, you want to see what's mostly searched, and then we put those keywords in specific spots so that Google can recognize you and bring you up when people are searching for things like that. The next thing I'm going to talk about is citations in the map pack. I just put in home builders, PA, and I know that's pretty broad. I know you don't serve all of Pennsylvania, but I just want to go over what's happening here. Obviously, there's different ways to search too. People could put in like, PA home builders. So one way to optimize your website is to figure out where you want to appear the most for and be the first company that shows up, because most people, they'll look at maybe 2 or 3 websites, but, they're not really going to the second page. Maybe for something as big of a project like this, they would, but definitely appearing first is going to get you the most visibility. So in here you have your traditional Google ads. And those are okay. Some people don't trust them and don't click on them. But then you have your map pack here, which is what I want to talk about. In order to get in the map pack, which is where you want to be because you get so much visibility with your name and your phone number here and your website as well. In order to get there, you got to have a lot of citations, more citations than your competitors. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories exactly the same way. Like online directories like Yelp, Angie's, and things like that. And we just check them on a monthly basis to make sure, you're staying ahead of the game. And in addition to being in the map pack for as many keywords as possible, you also want to be beneath the map pack in the #1 spot. That's called ranking organically. I think I did a search. Just want to see. Okay, so I did a search home builders in Lancaster. I narrowed it down a little bit, and the map pack is different, as you can see. So you're constantly got to see how your competitors are doing for each kind of keyword and just keep up with your citations. So in order to get here organically to this top spot, which again is going to get the most views, you want to have the most backlinks, and they have to be high quality. So backlink is just another website that links back to yours. So it could be a blog about custom homes and you're mentioned, and that would link back to you. The link is the backlink, and the blog would be the referring domain. So this is a tool we use called Ahrefs. Any company can get it, a couple $100 a month, depending upon what you want out of it. And it gives us all the backlinks and domains and other things as well. But you have about 2,200 backlinks, which is a good solid number, and 515 referring domains. You have to go in and check these and make sure they're good quality domains. It's like you would want a domain about house building, not about like Pizza Hut or something. Google definitely recognizes the quality and rewards you, gives you a lot of power, and that's what helps boost you to the top. So again, you want to stay on top of your competitors with those. You just got to have better quality and more. So with that being said, you're ranking for a lot of keywords, 1,200, and you're getting about 2,800 visitors a month, which is awesome. I'm going to pop into your keywords. While I'm doing that, I'm going to go over one of your competitors here, Keystone Custom Homes. They serve a broader area, PA and Maryland. So as you can see, they have more backlinks, referring domains, and are generating more keywords and generating more traffic. And then another competitor I wanted to show you was Metzler Home Building. They're less backlinks than you, a little more keywords, but less traffic. Looks like they just stick to Lancaster as well. So just going into your keywords, let's see. Home builder Lancaster, PA is a great keyword. 250 searches a month, 31 KD, which means it's moderately difficult to rank for. This goes on a scale from 0 to 100. And you're in spot 4, which isn't bad. You're probably on the first page, you know, but again, there's 3 companies ahead of you. Lancaster home builder, 300 searches a month, spot 4. Same thing here. Home builders in Lancaster, PA, 250 searches a month, and you're in spot 5. Looks like you just stick to Lancaster. Home builders, Lancaster, PA, spot 5. You know, so we could look at all of this and kind of see, you know, maybe if you wanted to expand in a different area. You know, we're just trying to get up to the first spot, you know, to get better visibility, just the first company that people see. Custom home builders, Lancaster, PA, 100 searches, spot 5. Builders in PA, spot 9. So I hope the video was helpful. Gave you some insight. Love to chat. You know, my door's always open. If you're interested at all, just reach out. And if not, no problem. Thanks so much for watching and have an amazing day.